Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create multiple buttons and publishing SWF Flash format file. Create new ActionScript 2.0 and let's create 4 buttons first. We have already seen how to create buttons in our previous tutorials. Okay. Change the color here, white. Change the text to static. Okay. And Google. Okay. Select all, copy, paste, Control V and Control V. Okay, we can write anything here, Wikipedia and Twitter, and here you can write Facebook. Okay, selection tool, select the button. Sorry, first you have to create buttons. For this, select, modify, convert to symbol, and then select button. Okay, write it name. Okay, Google. Same way, press F8, right here Wikipedia. Okay, same way, press F8, write Twitter, F8, right. I like to create Yahoo here, not Facebook. I don't like Facebook. Go to scene 1. Okay, now selection tool, select any button, press F9 or go to Windows and choose actions. Here write on release event and get URL and write URL here http google.com and semicolon, Control A, Control C for copy. Close this, select other button, F8, sorry F8 no, it's F9,